Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you some DIY tool that you can use for making dot mandala. Here I am using Camel Fabrica acrylic color. For DIY tools, you can use the back side of pencil, oil pastel color, earbud, both side of pen, matchstick, and for small detailing you can use pin and the back side of brush. I choose this white mug for making dot mandala. For big dot you can use the back side of oil pastel color. And don't forget to clean your tools after every use because acrylic color dries so fastly.